Axel Whalen from Tiny Life Supply. Welcome to the Blue House. When I designed this tiny house, I designed it with 3 goals in mind. The first, I wanted something that enabled me to have a smaller footprint on the earth. I insulated the walls, the floor, the ceiling very heavily and created efficient systems. The second, I wanted to design something as small as I possibly could, but still feel like a house. Still have room to do what you want, storage, and just feel good in the place you live. And the third, beauty. I surrounded everything with natural wood. I put a window on each wall so there's always natural light coming in from everywhere. It's really well lit. When I designed it, I didn't have a plan to heat it with wood, but I saw this little wood stove made by Cubic, and I bought it online as an impulse purchase. It's made to heat houses between 200 and 400 square feet. I outfitted it with an off-grid solar system. The solar array is 1060 watts, and it comes with a charge controller, combiner box, inverter, and battery bank. We've been doing a lot of building, and we run our power tools, our air compressors, and everything we need off of that solar system. From there, we have our living area. You can put a couch here, a table, a desk, whatever suits your style. It doesn't feel like a small house because you can see the outdoors everywhere you look. This is our propane heater. The main source of heat in this house would be the wood stove. So if you're here, you keep that stoked, but if you want to go for a ski trip out of town, you can fire this up so your pipes don't freeze. It is the Dickinson Marine P12000. It's very easy to use. When we were looking to source gear for this tiny house, we stumbled upon the marine market and found out that Dickinson Marine leads the charge in the marine. They manufacture extremely well-made stainless steel gear, and they're a family-run business run out of Vancouver, British Columbia. So moving into the kitchen, for the cooktop and oven, we decided to go with another Dickinson appliance. This is the Mediterranean, and it comes with a wooden cutting board on top. Gives you a bit of extra counter space when you're not cooking. It has 3 propane burners as well as a really well-made oven. Moving on, we've got drawers, a little mini fridge, quite a large sink, and this empty space at the end of the kitchen was designed for a laundry combo unit. Moving on, we have a spiral staircase that houses our water tank. It's 102 US gallons. There's a water pump, strainer, and accumulator. Moving on up into the loft. This is the bedroom. You can fit a queen-size bed in. There's quite a bit of room, but you can't stand up completely, although due to the asymmetrical roofline, there's actually quite a bit of room up here. Now everything's made of wood, so you can build in shelving, you can build in a closet, you can really do whatever you want as far as storage goes. Finally, our bathroom. We opted to go with a Nature's Head composting toilet just to eliminate black water and have a lighter hand on the land. Thanks for checking out our second build, the Blue House. If you have any questions about off-grid gear, the systems you saw on here, or anything to do with the project you're working on, feel free to reach out to myself or Jake at tinylifesupply.com.